Thousands of Nova Scotians have fled the province this afternoon as a series of alien attacks has devastated the city of Halifax. What officials have termed the mother ship now hovers over Dalhousie University, while smaller UFOs continue to wreak havoc across the port city. Earlier today, we sent reporter Anna Almeida to Moncton, New Brunswick, to talk with a team of engineers from Bernice MacNaughton High School, who have put together a machine capable of defeating the alien threat. Let's take a look.
The BMHS robotics team has been working tirelessly ever since they first heard of the attacks in Halifax. In their school's wood and metal shops, along with the help of their mentors, the students have engineered a robot that can drive, fire projectiles, capture extraterrestrials, and rescue civilians.
Well, when we first heard of the attacks, we knew we had to help. So, we immediately began brainstorming ideas for how to fight off the invaders. We had many concepts originally that did not work, such as the umbrella crossbow and the card catcher. The umbrella crossbow launched an umbrella-like projectile to plug the central opening of the mothership, and the card catcher would be able to carry around other vehicles. These ideas were scrapped because of their overcomplexity, unreliability, time wasting, and for fear of violation of the amendment to the Geneva Convention concerning alien life forms.
Concepts that we did implement were tent steering, a scooper, a flapper, and the kicker. Tent-style steering allows for quick and sharp turning. It's very easy to control and overall has great maneuverability. On the very front of our robot, we have a stripping mechanism that consists of a bucket hinged to two metal arms that pivot to raise and lower the strip. This device is essential as it can collect, push, and dispose of the enemies.
Located behind the scoop is the flapper, a rotating device with flaps that serves as a method of collecting civilians, whether dead or alive, by sweeping them up over a ramp and into a net for comfortable and expandable containment. And finally, we have the kickers. They are our offensive mechanisms. They are simply two hammer-shaped pieces of metal that are attached to a rotating metal bar. As the kickers rotate around the bar, bombs load into place beneath. Then the kickers come down and powerfully launch the bombs into the air. Implementing these four cohesive concepts gives our robot a high level of versatility, which means it can accomplish all tasks on the battlefield.
Our robot's powered by two 12-volt drills and two servo motors. It's remote controlled, and the drills power the drivetrain, which actuates the wheels and the flapper mechanism, and the two servos power the lifting motion of the scoop arm and the kicker mechanism. In order for our robot to be able to withstand attacks from the opponents, we constructed its frame and other components such as the kicker, scooper, and axles predominantly out of aluminum, which is both lightweight and sturdy. As for the flapper, we tested a few materials such as wood, crazy carpet, and others to act as the flaps, but ultimately, leather strips proved to be the most efficient.
The team of young engineers have put many hours of hard work into the development of their alien eradicating machine, but not without guidance from their determined mentors. BMHS teachers Ed Wasson and Jason Melendi, along with other supporters and volunteers, have also put much of their time and dedication into coordinating the team's progress. With the amount of time and materials put into this machine, money has to come from somewhere to support this initiative.
We've received sponsorship in the form of materials from Apex Industries, who have supplied us with the aluminum to build the robot, and from Home Hardware Building Center, who gave us the lumber we needed to build the course.
We've also fundraised $463 by holding a 50-50 draw at our school's homecoming football game back in November. The Friends of the Highlanders Foundation supported us with a $300 donation, and we supported ourselves by each contributing $30 to the building of the robot.
The team has also created a course based upon the part of Halifax the aliens are invading. They have placed objects to simulate what they could encounter on the battlefield, such as carts for vehicles and dummies for people and alien opponents. Currently, they are testing their robot using this course to prepare themselves for battle. Certainly, this high school's robotics team has it all planned out. They've got the tools, money, materials, excessive firepower, and most importantly, courage. But will they be able to put an end to the extraterrestrial invasion?
Oh, without a doubt. We've all put like an immense amount of time into this thing. It'll certainly do some damage.
We're still finalizing the robot, but it will be ready very soon for deployment against the invaders. Our enemies don't stand a chance.
All right. Thanks, guys, and good luck. Anna Almeida, LEGO News, Bernice MacNaughton High School, Moncton, New Brunswick.
Thank you, Anna. The team's robot will be deployed near Dalhousie University very soon. We'll have details for you up next on LEGO News Atlantic after this commercial break.